A list of numbers is just a list until you see its shape. In statistics, this shape is called a distribution, and it's the hidden story behind the data. It reveals patterns of clumps, gaps, and clusters you'd never spot in a simple table. Today, we're mastering a simple but powerful tool to uncover that story, the dot plot. Imagine a horizontal number line that covers all your values. For every number in your dataset, you place a dot above its position on the line. If a number appears more than once, you just stack the dots vertically. Suddenly, your list has a landscape. You can instantly spot the most frequent value, that's the tallest stock, also known as the mode, and see the full spread of your data at a glance. Now, look at the overall silhouette. Is it symmetrical, like a bell curve where both sides are mirror images? Or does it lean? This is called skew. A simple trick. The skew is named for the direction of its long tail. If most dots are clumped on the left with a tail stretching out to the right, that's skewed right. Think of test scores. If a test was very difficult, most scores would be low, with a few high scores creating that right skewed tail. Also, look for the lone dots, far from the main group. These are outliers. They might be measurement errors, or they could be the most interesting part of your data, the one in a million case that defies the trend. The empty spaces or gaps are just as telling. They might suggest you're looking at two entirely different groups of data mixed into one. This isn't just for math class. Think about Amazon star ratings. That's essentially a vertical dot plot. A chart with high stocks at 1 and 5 stars tells you people either love or hate the product. A symmetrical plot centered on 3 stars means it's just okay. By learning to read these simple shapes, you're not just looking at dots, you're uncovering the real story hidden in the numbers.